misunderstanding. The client had a slave.
That girl is just messy.
Well, that's not what Naima said.
How should I fire her? Should have fired her. I'm sorry, Courtney.
Mrs. Lehman opened her home to a girl from a disadvantaged background and provided her with a job. That is not a crime.
How'd you find it?
She was referred to me.
By who?
Some day laborer working at my house. I don't know.
Maybe you remember how much you paid her.
I provided her with room and board.
For an 18-hour day.
Wasn't just never owned in her country.
How'd she get from her own country?
That's hardly the slightest concern.
But you knew she was not guilty.
Detectives all know how difficult it can be at times to establish immigration status.
But that's no excuse. Having illegal alien is still a crime. Half of Park Avenue is innocent. Look, lady, I don't give a damn what you and your damn friends do. Slavery's a federal crime. Now, you can spend the next 10 years in lockdown. That's not junior league. Cooperate with us, and good work is dead. If you don't, I guarantee you're not going to like the dress code of the joint.
What can we offer you?
I'm the little person who sold you Naima.
I told you I did not fire her.
I'm done. That person was walking through. You going to prison.
Book her. Hold on. Hold on. There.
All right. I did pay a fee, but I don't remember the man's name.
How'd you get in touch with her?
I had a number, but the person I gave it to said it was disconnected.
Probably a prepaid stuff. Well, did you get Naima?
I went to a warehouse.